Today I'm doing a high beam bulb on a Hyundai Santa Fe. This is a 2012 model, but it'll be the same for this generation. I'll put that in the description. Also, I'll put the bulb in the description as well. So we're gonna first identify, turn on and make sure that is the high beam that is out. Then we're gonna go in and pop the hood. Last video, people made fun of me because I said trunk, but we're gonna do our hood release, not our trunk release. Come here, put your hand in right over the Hyundai symbol. This should hold itself up, but if it doesn't, throw a little piece of wood in there. Don't let it fall on your head. Then we come in here, we rotate this. Orientation-wise, if you were, I'll turn sideways, there's a side of the vehicle. I'm gonna turn this, watch my thumb, counterclockwise. There. Then let's look inside. So two things we have is this is a plug here, and then this is a hook that actually holds in the bulb. So first we're gonna unplug this guy. So I'm pulling straight back and I'm just being gentle. There we go. So that's unhooked. Then our next thing is this little spring guy. You push down and out. So down and out. So I'm putting force in and then flipping that out. So this is a little door. This will open up. Oh, it's caught on my glove. And that will release the bulb. Now I'm going to keep my hand in here because this bulb will fall out if you do not have your hand on it. All right, there we go. There's our bulb. This is an H7. A couple things about this. This is the good bulb. Notice how that spring in the middle is intact. You want to check that, make sure that you're not replacing a bulb that doesn't need to be replaced. So this one's good. I'm going to throw this back in. This is the H7 bulb, and the orientation is just like this little flat top. That is the top of the bulb. It will go in and seat in there. If you do not get this seated all the way, it will not close easily. So let's throw this back in. So you kind of have to like make a clearing for it between the plug and this little door. And one important thing is make sure it gets seated in the right spot. So you're gonna have to wiggle and you'll feel it when it falls in. If it is not seated, this door will not close easily. So I close the little spring door there, and then this hooks right here. There we go. So it's hooked. Grab that bulb, make sure it's not gonna fall out. Another thing is always use gloves when you're doing this and try not to touch the bulb. But there we go. And make sure that lines up. Both leads, give it a firm push. You can put the dielectric grease stuff on there if you want, but most of the time I don't. And then this goes on, and this is going to be a clockwise motion to shut it. So I'll put a link for gloves, which are super handy to keep in your glove compartment, and the high beam bulb for this. Also check out, I have the low beam, and I'll have this side marker bulb as well if you need tutorials on that. And we'll see you next time. Make sure you smash that thumbs up button. We'll see you next time.